Ear is the organ of our body which helps us in hearing, detecting the sounds, and it helps us to understand the message conveyed through a particular sound. We need to have a closer look at the structure of the ear. First of all, we need to know the three major parts of human ear. The human ear is divided into three major parts: outer ear, middle ear, and the inner ear. In this diagram, we will label the parts of the outer ear, middle ear, and in the inner ear, which will help us to understand the propagation of sound waves through the human ear. First of all, let's begin with the outer ear. The first part of outer ear is pinna, which is the portion of air which is visible to us. We all can touch it, we can feel it. It is the covering of the human ear. Pinna acts as a funnel. It collects the sound waves from the surrounding and directs it to the ear. It also protects human ear. As the sound waves enter through the pinna, they go through the ear canal, which is the second part of the outer ear. Ear canal is a passage, a narrow tube, or a channel which allows the sound waves to enter into the middle ear. Ear canal not only allows the sound to pass through it, but it is also filled with wax. Yes, we think that wax is something dirty, but it's really important for our ears. It helps to protect our ear against germs and dirt. It traps all the germs and dirt coming from the ear inside. So it prevents our ear from getting infections. As soon the sound waves enter from the outer ear, it reaches the middle ear. The first part of the middle ear, which separates the outer ear and the middle ear, is known as the eardrum. Eardrum is the first part of the middle ear. It's a delicate membrane or a skin-like structure which allows the sound waves from the outer ear to enter into the middle ear. Sound waves entering from the ear canal hit the eardrum. The eardrum is a thin, delicate membrane which starts vibrating. It starts moving back and forth. Due to this back and forth movement, the sound waves are converted into vibration. So the function of eardrum is to convert sound waves into vibration. Eardrum is then connected to three tiny bones known as ossicles. Ossicles are named as hammer, anvil, and stirrup. The eardrum vibrates, and the ossicles connected to the eardrum and to each other. They vibrate due to the vibration carried by eardrum, as sound is a form of energy and it is transferred from one medium into another. The three ossicles vibrate, and in this way, the middle ear, eardrum, and the ossicles collectively convert sound waves into vibration and lead it to the inner ear. There are two main parts of inner ear which are concerned with the function of hearing. First of all, we will label cochlea. Cochlea is a round structure just like a snail's shell, and as a snail shell it is hollow, but it is filled with a fluid inside, and along the fluid it has tiny hairs in its inner surface. It is covered with tiny hairs. The second part of the inner ear, which is concerned with the function of hearing, is the auditory nerve which connects cochlea to the brain. As the sound waves from the middle ear enter into the sound vibrations from the middle ear enter into the cochlea. Due to back and forth movement, the hair in the cochlea starts moving and the fluid starts shaking. Due to this movement, the hair convert the sound vibrations into electric or nerve signals. These nerve signals are then carried by auditory nerve from the cochlea of the inner ear to the brain. The brain is the organ of human body which has the ability to interpret the nerve signals. In this way, human ear is able to detect the sound and understand the message conveyed by a particular sound. Brain is basically the decoder of the human body, and it has the ability to interpret nerve signals. In this way, all the parts of the human ear are connected to each other and they convert sound waves into sound vibrations, then sound vibrations into nerve signals and convey nerve signals to human brain. I hope you are clear with the parts of the human ear which help us to hear. Apart from these parts, human ear has another function as well. It helps us to maintain balance of the human body. In the inner ear, there are three lobe-like structures which are known as semicircular canals or semicircular tubes. The function of semicircular canal is to maintain balance of the human body. Semicircular canal are also filled with fluid. When a movement in the body takes place, this fluid also moves, which helps to maintain the balance of the human body. In human ear, another tube is also present, which is known as eustachian tube. It connects eardrum to the back of our nose. Eustachian tube is responsible for maintaining the balance of the air falling on the eardrum. It helps to maintain the balance of the air pressure as eardrum is a delicate membrane, so it helps to maintain the balance to protect it against any damage. This is how the human ear helps us in hearing and maintains balance of the human body. I hope you are clear with the function of each and every part of human ear, but you need to revise regularly to retain these terms and their location. Thank you so much.